Do you scare easily? Then watch with caution, because these disturbing videos caught on doorbell camera are so scary, they will keep you up tonight. On October 8th, 2016, Fortnite Crazy Videos posted this disturbing doorbell video, which features yet another ominous clown staring into the camera while carrying balloons. In this creepy video, the clown stands with an odd posture. He then picks up a pumpkin and starts to abuse it. Who this is and why they are here is not explained in the video. This person approached the door and began acting strangely. He kept knocking on the door despite the fact that it was 3 in the morning. Perhaps he was intoxicated, as he gets eerily close to the camera. He then begins cursing and yelling to himself. No further information was provided. This doorbell video was uploaded by 9 News Australia on June 6, 2022, and it depicts a terrifying encounter. A young woman had just arrived home with her bags by her sides. As she tried to open the front door, the snatcher hiding in front of the car emerged and prevented her from getting inside. He grabbed her handbag and tried to snatch it with all his force. The girl resisted, but he managed to get her bag and escape before the woman's brother came to defend her. This video was uploaded by Dr. Pedmom on March 1st, 2019, and it features terrifying doorbell footage. It's late at night in this quiet suburban neighborhood, and there is a thunderstorm outside. Suddenly, a bolt of lightning strikes right in front of the house. The doorbell camera catches this amazing event. Fortunately, no one was wounded, and the lightning only struck the tall pole and not a house or tree. This video was uploaded by KPRC2 Houston on May 3, 2022. Doorbell footage shows a middle-aged woman standing on the front porch. She appears to be on the phone with someone, explaining the layout of the property, including what cars are parked in the yard. Little does she know the residents are listening to the phone call. They end up calling the police, but the woman leaves before they get there. This video takes place in Oakland, California. A lady snuck into a random front yard, quietly opening their gate. After briefly looking around, she proceeds to steal their mailbox. And makes her getaway in a white SUV waiting for her on the street. This video is from March 3, 2022, and it depicts a botched robbery attempt. 2 burglars, a man and a woman, are attempting to position a trash can so they can climb on it and get to the balcony. Luckily for the homeowner, the man isn't able to pull himself up, and his accomplice isn't strong enough to give him the boost he needs. As seen in the video, the man and woman are both formally dressed. The man pointed towards the camera and instructed the woman to stand in front of it, while he stood to the left so they could get a good angle for the owner, who can see through it. They patiently waited after the woman asked for the door to be opened, but no one from the house responded. What makes this weird is that the couple were not solicitors and didn't go to any other house. What they wanted, we will never know. We see a strange encounter between a stranger and a homeowner in this video uploaded by WPLG Local 10 on May 20th, 2022. A complete stranger approaches the door of a house and threatens the family to open the door. He then starts rolling a trash can in an attempt to barricade the front door. He goes around back and eventually enters the house from the back door. The terrified family called 911, and the police quickly arrived, but did nothing but ask the man to leave. Before we get to number 1, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this video and want to see more like it. This doorbell camera catches something truly bizarre. If you look carefully across the street, you can see a shadowy figure walking by. It is almost see-through, which makes it seem like more of a ghost than a person. What do you think it could be? The only thing more disturbing than these doorbell clips is you not watching more of our videos.